In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text weight in Figma. Figma is an incredibly powerful tool for design, and understanding how to manipulate text properties is fundamental to creating professional and visually appealing interfaces. Text weight, sometimes referred to as font weight or text thickness, plays a crucial role in readability, hierarchy, and the overall aesthetic of your design. Whether you want to make a headline stand out, emphasize a particular piece of information, or simply fine-tune the look of your body copy, adjusting text weight is a skill you'll use constantly. Let's dive right in and explore how to achieve this easily within Figma. First, select text on your Figma canvas. If you don't have any yet, grab the text tool, that's the T icon in your toolbar, draw a box, and type in some sample text. With your text layer selected, go to the right-hand Properties panel. This is where you'll find all the controls and adjustments for your selected element. Within this panel, locate the Text section, usually identified by the font name currently in use. Next to it, an arrow or a small icon indicates more settings. This is what we refer to as the Type settings. Click it to reveal all the detailed options related to your font, including its family, size, line height, and most importantly, its weight. This action expands the text properties, giving you full control over its appearance. Once the type settings are open, you'll see several options. For many fonts, you'll find a direct weight drop-down menu. However, with modern and versatile variable fonts, look for an option labeled Variable. Clicking this will often reveal a powerful control, usually a slider, allowing for extremely precise granular adjustment of the font's weight. If variable isn't present, simply choose from the listed predefined weights in a dropdown, typically found right below the font family. These options might include light, regular, medium, semi-bold, bold, or even black. The goal here is to locate the specific control that governs the thickness or thinness of your text, preparing you for the actual adjustment. With the weight control located, whether it's a slider or a drop-down menu, it's time to make your adjustments. If you're using a variable font, you'll likely see a slider. Simply drag it left or right to decrease or increase the text weight, observing your text update in real time on the canvas for instant visual feedback. For fonts with predefined weights, just click the drop-down and select the option that best suits your design needs. For instance, choosing bold for a prominent headline or light for a more subtle caption. Experimentation with different weights is crucial to truly understand their visual impact. Remember, text weight is crucial not just for aesthetics, but also for establishing visual hierarchy, guiding the user's eye, and ensuring optimal readability.